Go to exit D. Just have to follow the signage. Ayan, here. This is where we're going. Okay. Ayan, pag exit nyo, ayan, Hong Kong Macau Ferry Terminal. So we're gonna turn right for the ferry hall ticket. Ayan. And we're just gonna keep on following the signage. Ayan. 3rd floor. Dali-dali. Sasa, Starbucks. Ayan. To China. To Central. Ayan. 175. 175 for the adults and 157 for... We're gonna catch the we're gonna go inside. Boarding. Ayan. Turbojet. Here. Dito kami kasi nag-Macau Outer Harbor kami. We have to reach the ferry. Wait. One at a time. After immigration, we're gonna go down. Okay, so we're gonna go to gate 1 kasi nahabol na namin 12:30. We're here. Welcome to Macau. 7 for 100 Hong Kong dollars. Yan. Thank you. Grabe. Ang daming tao. Ali. Take a bite. So good. Yum. Ang dami.
So, disda kayo ngayon kayo.
Yan, so pupunta kaming Fisherman's Wharf. Sasakay daw kami ng 3A. Welcome to Fisherman's Wharf. After Fisherman's Wharf, lakad lang kayo papunta sa Sands. And nandito yung mga bus stop. Nakapila kami dito sa The Parisian Macau, The Londoner. Ito yung China. Go. Ate Shinshin muna. Wow! Good job, anak. Wow! Oop, it's pababa kasi. Yan, we're done sa The Parisian. We're gonna go to the Londoner. Yeah. Hi, my love! Good job!
Hindi tali.
So, pumasok lang kami dito sa The Venetian. Dito rin kasing sakayin namin ng bus. So, pupunta kami ng food court. Dito na rin yung dinner namin. Look! Gonna go down?
Yeah.
So, yan. Here's the Venetian food court. Okay. For our dinner, bibili ulit kami ng roasted goose. Here it is. One more. Hi! How's your dinner? Now, after namin mag-dinner, babalik na kami dun sa pick-up station ng bus. Ayan, tandaan niyo lang yung coach. Babalik tayo doon. Nandito na yung bus namin. 8 p.m. Yan. So, dito lang din yung pick up niya. Dito sa may car park ng The Venetian. Hanggang Jordan na to.
Back to our hotel.
So, bababa daw muna dito sa Hong Kong Zhuhai Macau Bridge for immigration check. 20 minutes lang dito. So, dapat ma-complete ang immigration process within 20 minutes. Yeah, so we're done sa immigration. Now, we're gonna look for the bus. Sabi C6. Bawal mag-video sa loob. So, you just have to follow all the signage. Lahat naman kayo kakasama, isa lang yung pinupuntahan. So, ayan. C6, mukhang yun na andun yung ayan. Daming signage naman. Hello! Yeah, so binaba kami somewhere sa Jordan. Ngayon, naglalakad na lang kami papuntang MTR station. And so, if you're going to ask me, yung papunta namin turbojet, pabalik ng Hong Kong is bus. Mas convenient yung turbojet. Yung bus kasi may dalawa pa kayong stopover para bumaba sa immigration. Tapos 20 minutes yung immigration process. Ayun lang.
I'm not riding the bus.
I'm so tired. You can go in here, anak. Go. Good job. Good job. Oh, she's a Hong Konger.